Hi, this is ND Machinery Center. Here we have a compressor McQuay 150 HP. Brand, McQuay, tested with efficiency test. Model number, HSA197QY11AA. Serial number, C03J309. Horsepower, 150 HP. RPM, 1800 RPM. Volts, 400 V for 60 V. HZ, 60 HZ. Design, B. Enclosure, TEFC. INSUL class, F. Efficiency testing, the 11th of February 2020. Dimensions, 1950. x550 x 760 mm, LxWxH. Have high quality, good pricing, fast shipping. Machine cleaned, tested and ready. The machine works well and has been inspected and tested. In addition to the videos on eBay, we send them directly to the customer at the time of testing the machine. Thank you. See you in the next video.